Hey there. Welcome to Life Noggin. Lately, Triangle Bob has been obsessed with working out. He started asking questions like, does young blood actually make you stronger? And I was like, Triangle Bob, why are you asking that? But, I guess I'll make an episode on it. You see, Triangle Bob isn't the only gym junkie who's had this disturbing thought. One story even claims the first transfusion occurred way back in 1492, when a dying pope accidentally killed 3 young, taking their blood. Yet long before that, ancient Egyptians were relaxing in rejuvenating baths of this vital fluid, while some Romans were drinking it from fallen gladiators in an attempt to grow stronger. It sounds preposterous, and the wild thing is, it's still happening to this day, though in a far less, barbaric way. Under the guise of a scientific study, one company has been offering those over 35 the chance to fill their veins with the blood of younger donors, all for the small fee of $8,000. With no control group or placebo, these scientific studies are more like scams, and in 2019, the FDA issued a sharp rebuke that forced some of these unscrupulous companies to shut down. Still, there's some logic to the practice. As it turns out, blood does change the way we age, and the younger it is, the more healing. By joining the circulatory system of an old mouse to a young one, recent studies have shown some remarkable results, bringing new life to aging organs, making older mice stronger, smarter, and healthier, not to mention their shiny fur. One cross-animal study even found that blood from the human umbilical cord improved memory and learning in older mice. Naturally, the research has inspired human trials in China, Korea, and America, most of which rely on young plasma transfusions. This is blood without the blood cells, and it alone contains over 1,000 proteins, many of which we know little about. The race is on to find the elixir of life hiding within, but before Triangle Bob gets too excited by an even bigger frame, there's some bad news. The results we have so far are pretty mixed and quite small. After 1 month, a double-blind, placebo-controlled study on 14 Parkinson's patients found that 2 doses of young plasma over 3 days dramatically improved pain, speech, handwriting, tremors, and falling. The same dose in 13 multiple sclerosis patients improved fatigue, mobility, concentration, and urinary control. Still, these clinical trials remain in their infancy, and they're not always so hopeful. As a treatment for Alzheimer's, plasma has shown minimal, if any, cognitive benefits. Without any long-term studies, the risks are unknown. Today, there are concerns that if young plasma jumpstarts the body's stem cells, it could lead to cell proliferation and maybe even cancer. It's a huge risk for what is currently an alternative treatment at best. That's not to say scientists are giving up, but for now, if Triangle Bob really wants to live long and strong, he's better off sticking to the gym. So are there any other bodily oddities that you want us to talk about next? Let me know in the comment section below. Curious to know if you could give blood after you die? Check out this video. The blood inside a dead body stays usable for about 6 to 8 hours after death. The first cadaveric blood transfusion actually happened in Russia back in 1930. As always, my name is Blocko. This has been Life Noggin. Don't forget to keep on thinking.